everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing I tried following ThatGirlShaeXO makeup tutorial. There was a video that she recently posted a few 2-3 weeks ago, and I really loved it so much. I was like that little emoji with the little hearts on it when she posted that look, and I wanted to recreate a tutorial that was something kind of out of my comfort zone. I didn't want to just do like a regular smoky eye, so I just thought, let me go ahead and recreate this. It's pretty much like a smoky yellow look with a cut crease liner. I don't even know how you would say it. It's like a cut crease right here. You guys will see really soon. So yeah, I just wanted to recreate her look. She's just one of my favorite girls to watch here on YouTube. I've been watching her for a while now, since she's had her white background and it had You're Gorgeous on the background. She's been doing YouTube for quite a bit of time. I love her channel. I love watching her videos. If you guys have not checked her out, definitely check her out. You will not be disappointed. So if you guys are interested to see me recreate ThatGirlShaeXO makeup look, just keep on watching. This song is like super, like, it was a really good song. I was like, whoa. This eye look was beautiful. I loved it.
Hey fam, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another Throwback Thursday tutorial. Yes, we are getting back into Throwback Thursdays. I missed this series so much. We took a little break and now we are getting back into the swing of things, which I'm really excited for. This is the look that I've come up with today.
Such a beautiful look.
I love it. I was just ready for like summer. I'm ready for spring. I'm ready for bright colors again. And believe it or not, it's not super complicated to achieve this look. So if you guys want to see how I got this, just keep on watching. Also, if you could give me a thumbs up and subscribe, that'd be really cool. I love you. Thank you. Bye.
So I already did do my brows, just because I already knew she had done her brows. And I also wanted to mention that I don't have a lot of the products that she mentions in this video. I am going to be just like a regular person using the products that I do have. Everybody has their collection and the items that they have in their collection, so I am going to use what I have to try to recreate this look that she's gonna teach me how to do. And then also I do have probably like maybe 5 things of the whole face and eyes that she did, but I'm just gonna use what I have, and the stuff that she uses, if I do have it, I'll be using it. But so like I said, I did do my brows because she had her brows done, and she is using this Benefit High Brow just to shape her brows, so I'm going to do that as well.
Right underneath my eyebrows to brighten that area up. I don't use these types of pencils a lot. I've really been wanting to get back into it because like back in the day, like a long time ago, I swore by these little brightening pencils along your brow line, and they do work great to create a nice highlight and a good base.
So I'm just going to blend it out with this brush. This is a Sephora Pro Brow Contour brush, and I usually just kind of blend it down, and then I use my finger to kind of blend everything else. And it looked like she just jumped into putting some eyeshadow onto her lids. I'm going to prime my lids real quick because I don't know if she primed off of camera or if she just brought the highbrow down all on her eyelid, because her lids were pretty much primed, so I don't know. I'm going to be working with the BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette. She's using the Anastasia Artist palette, and I don't have that palette. So I'm just going to take this color right here, and I'm going to set my eyeshadow primer. Because it looks like she's set already too, because she's going into the crease shade already.
And then from there, jumping into our artist palette, I'm going to jump into the shade of
I went ahead of myself. She's
nice
priming her eyelids now. Dang it. I already did that, so I actually do have Dusty Rose as a single shadow, so let's see. So she's just packing her brush and applying it in her crease.
I love this color. And we're going to start working that into our crease as our transition shade. You guys know the drill. This is usually where I go next with my shadow looks, but I'm really making sure to extend it out a little bit farther than I normally do. This eye shape that we're going to do today is a little bit different than what I'm used to usually. I just feel like playing around and experimenting a bit. From here, I'm going to throw a curveball. Actually, I really have been inspired by yellow. I've been seeing a lot of yellow makeup looks that have been driving me crazy. I wanted to do one so bad. It all first started with Jaclyn Hill on Sup, and I was like so freaking into it. Yeah, I think it's also just like wanting spring. I'm just in the mood for yellow. So I'm just blending that all over the lid and then smoothing that into the crease. I love yellow.
So I did this eye thinking I was recording when I actually wasn't. So let's just go ahead and do this eye with you guys because it was supposed to be this eye, but...
Now from here we're gonna have some fun with some yellow eyeliner.
So she uses the Makeup Forever paint, little paint, like eyeliner paints. I don't have any of those, so what I told you guys was that I was gonna use the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk, and I was gonna use a flat angle brush like this, and I was just gonna grab some of the color onto my brush, and then do my cut liner in my crease, and then do the same shape kind of like this that she did also. And then I'm going in with eyeshadow to set it and to be like a yellow liner. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that.
Right here, I'm gonna bring it all the way around into a wing-like shape and then close it up. Whew, okay.
This eye is higher than this eye. Do you guys have an eye like that too? It like totally sucks. Like this brow always goes up higher, I think it is. Yeah, see? So she said to flick it out here a little bit. And then what she did was, these lines are not even, that's funny. And then she connected it down here to the corner of my eye right here. What I did was take a more like shorter flat shader brush, and I mixed both of these two shades right here, these two. And then I just set the Jumbo Eye Pencil with these two colors mixed together. So I'm just damping it on so I can get to try to get more pigmentation.
In an attempt to kind of clean up my rough edges around my eyes, I'm going to take the Urban Decay Midnight Cowboy Heavy Metal Glitter Liner. I'm trying to decide if I want it on top and bottom or just like it is now. I think for now we'll just leave it, and if I think it needs it, we can always come back.
So it looks like what she did was add some Urban Decay Midnight Cowboy glitter. I don't have that. I don't have any of the Urban Decay glitters, but what I do have is this BH Cosmetics glitter eyeliner in the shade Rapture. So what she did was just line the bottom part of the cut crease and also the inside part right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I feel like my glitter is really thick. I kind of probably messed that up a little bit. Now I'll do the other eye off of camera and I'll be right back.
From here, I'm going to take some of my Sigma Beauty liquid eyeliner pen because I'm going to put on some false lashes. So I just want to add a small little black band across my lid.
So I keep forgetting to push film. I'm just like following her tutorial. But so what I did was apply some black liner. I just took this L'Oreal Voluminous Smoldering Eyeliner. I just put it in my waterline and a little bit under like my lash line. And she said to blend it out with your fingers, which I did poke my eye, but you guys didn't catch that because my camera wasn't recording. And then I also did take the two shadows that I took from my lid. I did apply it, smoke out the under eye area. So I did that too. I was telling you guys that I don't really do lower lash line before I do foundation. I always do the top part of my eyes first, and then I do my face, and then I come back and finish the lower lash line out. But if Shae says to do lower lashes now, I'm going to do lower lashes now. So she is applying some mascara, and I'm just going to take the Maybelline Lash Sensational. She's using Benefit, the new one, Big Bang. I don't have that. I haven't tried it, so...
And then for mascara before falsies, I'm going to take my Bad Gal Bang mascara from Benefit, which I'm loving, you guys. The hype around this is real. I know a lot of people were like, do those gurus really like it, or do they like the free trip? No. That freaking trip looked amazing, but the mascara is also pretty great as well.
She's also gonna take some eyelashes. She's taking the Violet Voss I'm Sexy and I Know It. I don't have any Violet Voss lashes. Guys, I'm using what I have. You do not need to go buy all of these products to recreate a look. So the lashes that she's wearing, they kind of look kind of like dramatic and flary. So I'm going to be taking these ones by House of Lashes. These are the Style Iconic.
I've used them a bunch of times. I was afraid I had trimmed this one too short.
And she just applied them. So I actually need to put some glue on these. let them get tacky, and then I'll be right back to apply these on camera.
I was afraid I had trimmed this one too short, but it actually ended up being the perfect size. So now I need to try and replicate that on the other eye.
So as I was applying glue, I found out that this eye was in 2 pieces, so I guess I ripped it in half. So I think I need some, so it's probably time to invest in some new Iconics. And then it's so easy with one of these tools. If you guys are horrible at applying lashes, this is a lifesaver. I mentioned it a lot of times on my channel already. Then you just squish your lashes and these fake ones together, and you're good to go. You guys, I'm going to cry. I keep forgetting to push play, or I push play and I don't double check and make sure that it's on. What the heck? So Shae was using the Body Shop foundation mixed with the Kat Von D Lock-It foundation. I don't have those two again, and I already went ahead and applied my foundation because silly me thought I was recording already. What is going on? And I keep forgetting to push the button. But I heard Hard Candy, the Camouflage or Glamouflage, Invisible Glamouflage foundation is supposed to be a dupe to the Kat Von D foundation. So this is what I'm using on my face.
And then for concealer, I'm going to take my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade Light.
This is the ColourPop concealer. I do have those, yay! But I don't have it in the shade Light. Light is actually the shade that I usually use, but I actually ran out of that. So I have medium and light neutral. So what I'm going to do is apply light or medium in my inner or the top part. And then I'm going to apply light neutral down here. And I'm going to place some on my forehead. Oh shoot, she didn't say to do that. I'm going to blend it out because she said to blend it out with my sponge. I'm going to have to blend this out because I already applied it and Shae did not say to do this, so I am not following instructions very well.
And then of course, let's set that. I'm going to take my Too Faced Peach Powder. This is the F87 edged kabuki brush from Sigma. I'm just going to pack that right on.
Peach powder, I don't have it. Again, I'm going to use this Cover FX Perfect Setting Powder in the shade Translucent Light. And I think she's going to bake. Let me keep watching.
Right on there. Oh, perfect bake as well with that same translucent powder.
And she's applying some on the nose too, on the sides. I don't do this. Well, I do, but not with my under eye setting powder. I don't really apply loose powder on my under. I don't really bake because I just feel like it looks drying. But I know my girl Shae loves to bake, so.
Still, while that under eye bakes, I want to take a little more foundation powder. This is actually the L'Oreal Pro Matte Infallible Powder. It's actually like a shade too dark for me, I'm not gonna lie. So don't judge, but I'm gonna blend this all the way down to the neck. I bought the wrong shade. I don't do well in that drugstore lighting. Everything looks much lighter to me every time I'm at the drugstore.
She's gonna contour the nose. I don't contour my nose, Shae. I don't, because I don't know how. But you'll teach me, right? She's picked up the Kat Von D Shade and Lights palette, and I have that. Everybody has this palette, right? So let's see what she said.
Alright, so now real quick we're going to contour the nose. This is my Shade and Light Kat Von D palette, so I'm taking the coolest tone, and I just place it where I didn't have any translucent powder, or I try to anyway, just kind of follow that shape. And I go up into the eye socket because Wayne Goss said that you have to do this. And I follow what he says like a religion. I'm going to start a Wayne Goss cult. I'm just kidding. Cults are not funny. I shouldn't have made that joke, but it's kind of funny. Like, what if I did make a Wayne Goss cult? You'd be like, this is very disturbing. Absolutely disturbing.
I think I applied too much on this side. We're gonna clean it up, right, Shae? Okay, I think I need to stop. But do I have a slim nose? It looks slim. Oh, it looks slim.
into the yellow tone of the Kat Von D palette. This is the Sigma Beauty 40 HD Kabuki brush, and I just use this to sweep off that translucent powder using the Kat Von D powder. I also like to take some down the nose.
So she did sweep, pack some on her brush, and then sweep this. Whoa. I think this is just loose powder. And then she says she kind of taps on her nose to kind of blend out her nose contour, which I definitely need to do that. I feel like my nose is really snatched, but I don't think in a good way.
And then with my F06 powder sweet brush, I'm going to take that cool tone again and use that to just carve out the hollow of my cheek. Just ever so slightly. I don't use this for bronzer, I just use it for my contour shade. Just like so. And then with the F40 angled brush, I'll go into the warmer tone and use that to build up the bronzer above the contour so that all kind of marries together. And then you know what time it is. It's time to bronze this forehead. Again, you guys know what song plays in my mind every time I bronze my forehead. It's Evanescence, Wake Me Up Inside. I'm not gonna butcher it.
She says to go down here also on the jawline with that warm shade. I'm just following her, guys. If I'm quiet, it's because I'm listening on what I'm supposed to be doing. She's gonna take Rom-Com blush from ColourPop. I don't have any blushes from ColourPop, so I'm gonna take the Essence Satin Touch blush. I did look it up, and the Satin Touch blush is supposed to be like a pinky coral shade, and this is pinky coral, right? To me it is anyways. So let's see where she's gonna apply it.
Oh, such a lovely brush. Such a lovely blush color. This makeup look is getting me like super excited for summer.
She's taking Fenty Beauty Moon something. Let me see.
For highlighter, I'm going to take Fenty Beauty Metal Moon highlighter. I think I've only worn this
Metal
like
Moon.
once.
I don't have Fenty Beauty Metal Moon. I have Urban Decay Afterglow in Sin, and hers is supposed to be like a pale white gold, and this looks pale white gold to me. So let's go ahead and apply this. Where do we apply it, Shae?
This like once. I need to wear it more. Pop that right up there. I also like some right above the brow on the lip line.
And where else?
Got Milk.
On the
Isn't that
cube
what
as
that
well.
looks like before you have lips on? It looks like the Got Milk logo. Anyway. And on the nose. To get it right on the tip like that. And then with a bit of a smaller brush, I will bring it down the center. And then last but not least, you guys, let's add some.
Oh, she wants to add some in the inner corners.
Just complete that eye look there.
So she's going on to the lips now. Well, I think I went a little overboard with the lip highlight. But she didn't show us when she applied mascara to the lower lashes, and it looks like she has mascara already. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So on her lips, she's taking Huda Beauty Trendsetter Liquid Lipstick. I don't have any Huda Beauty lippies. I have one, but it's like a pinky shade. So this is the closest shade, the similar shade that she has. So I'm going to go ahead and apply it. This is the NYX Lingerie Liquid Lipstick in the shade Seduction.
And this is it for our tutorial. Let me know what you guys think of this look. I absolutely love this. I'm super, super proud of it. I know it's been done before. I just want to put that out there right now.
So this is the final look. I think it came out pretty good. The only thing that I don't like is that this eye is lower than this eye. But I think it looks pretty cool. I like it. Thanks, Shae. You're the best. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. I followed ThatGirlShaeXO makeup tutorial. So if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please check out Shae's channel. She is amazing. You will not be disappointed with her videos. And if you, again, enjoyed this video, thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!